Good morning, everybody. This is Galiko from Apollo IT Services coming to you again with a brand new video. This week, following our last week, we're going to talk about tips and tricks for business owners. If your business has a front-facing store or you provide service and people coming to you and waiting in the office, and you want to consider maybe offering them like a guest Wi-Fi, right? Usually it's something that most business owners don't think about, or it's an afterthought. But it actually poses a huge security risk as a guest Wi-Fi. So here's a few things. Doesn't matter if you use an enterprise level system or just a basic router from Best Buy. If you are going to offer a guest Wi-Fi, here's a few things for you. First of all, make it a catchy name, right? Use a relatively easy password, but don't make it too easy, right? Depending how long users are going to stay and wait, for example, like if they're going to wait over there for 4 hours, then that's fine. If it's going to be like 3 minutes, I don't know, depending on that. Again, you do not have to offer a guest Wi-Fi, right? If people walk in and out and they stay with your waiting area for like 2-3 minutes, then might not, right? If you do still want to offer a guest Wi-Fi, do that, again, the name and everything, but make sure that you use an isolated network for that guest Wi-Fi. The reason is, and the most important thing is, you don't want a guest coming into your office and using their iPad, computer, cell phone to scan the network and find all your network devices and servers and see their IP. That's a huge security breach that can lead to hacks and attacks on the network, especially if you are in the medical industry and you're supposed to be HIPAA compliant, of course. This stuff cannot be allowed to be visible from the guest network, right? God knows how many times we see medical facilities that are using their only Wi-Fi for everything from guests, employees, stuff like that. And then you scan the network and the next thing you see is the server. That can lead to a breach. And your cybersecurity policy will not cover you in a case like that because you are exposed. So just be aware of that. So let's round up everything. If you want to offer, if you don't have to offer a guest Wi-Fi, don't. If you do, make sure it's a catchy name, relatively complex password. I would recommend changing the password every 3-4 months, even though it's a guest, right? Like this, no one just sitting in the parking lot and just like surfing on your behalf. And of course, the most important thing, make sure it's an isolated network. It doesn't connect to the main network. It says on its own subnet, and nobody else can see what's up in the network. Well, this is Galiko with another video, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a useful tip. If you are a business owner, listen to that. It can save you a lot of time and money. And that's all for this week. Please keep safe. Enjoy the sun. I'll see you next week. Have a good day.